males to help them navigate and hunt. They produce high-frequency sounds and listen for the returning echoes, a process called echolocation. When these sound waves bounce off objects in the water, the killer whale hears and interprets the echoes to learn about its surroundings. In dark or murky water, echolocation is far more reliable than eyesight. An echolocated killer whale can determine not only the presence of an object, but also its size, shape, and even distance. Socially stable groups called pods consist of a female and her offspring. Killer whale pods may include 2 or 3 generations. As with many species, a social hierarchy